so excited.
Do that, what you gonna do that, do that, do that, do that, do that, do that, do that.
All right. I'm ready.
Go ahead.
What it is, what it do, it's your girl, Sooo, and today I'm going to be doing something delicious, something not nutritious, but has been seen all over social media. It is making the delicious TikTok hot cocoa bombs. I'm so excited. So we're gonna be doing that for you today. All right, are you upping the volume?
No.
Lowering the volume? So we have our chocolate marshmallows, some frosting, and some Skittles. Oh, and some delicious candy canes. Ooh. All right, so we're gonna be making this for you today. Babe, are you judging me?
No.
Am I killing it?
Yes, baby.
Yay. Oh, I almost forgot. We have our half circle molding baking mold-ish that we're gonna be using to make the bombs. You have to have at least 65% cocoa, and I have 95, which is the dark chocolate, so. Hallelujah. Oh, I didn't think you were listening. We have our mixing bowl, so we have to cut up our chocolate first. We have a couple of our chocolates. Right, and we're gonna cut up our chocolates now, so cut it up. And putting our chocolates into our chocolate bowl. Hopefully I'm doing a good job because I want this ish to be delicious. Like I was watching all those videos and I really want it. I'm so jealous. Our last chocolate bar. Going, we're cutting. Come on, ooh, that was kind of dangerous. We got our chocolate good and cut up. My hands are dirty, but it's dark chocolate don't taste like nothing. I should have made a TikTok. So here's our chocolate. It looks so good. So we're gonna be warming it up for 30 seconds, then 15 seconds. If it's not enough, then some more. All right, we're testing. 30 seconds. So we got our chocolate out of the microwave and it is getting there. A few more seconds and then test it out. All right, 15 more seconds. It's getting there, it's melting. I'm feeling the vibes. Temp the chocolate again, 15 seconds. Oh yes, now this is how it's supposed to be. Smooth. I was a little hesitant. Kind of scared, but we got it. All right, but we're gonna test our chocolate. So we're gonna put it on this piece of, it's not parchment paper, but we're doing it on this. Okay, we're gonna test our chocolate on here. A spoon of our chocolate. Let's spread some on our parchment, and we're gonna put this in the fridge. We're gonna put this in the fridge for 5 minutes, and then we're gonna see if it's good. Okay. We're cleaning off our spots. All right, but yeah, so we are waiting for our tepid chocolates. I'm sorry, I keep hitting that. That was dramatic. Don't ignore that. As I wait, I'm going to be crushing some peppermints. I need help. Okay, do you know how to crush candy canes?
No.
I like to put the candy canes. Actually, let me move this out. Put that over there. I like to crush the candy canes in a bag, but I wanted to see if you knew another way because I didn't want to look stupid on camera. But since you don't, we're gonna both look stupid on the camera. I feel like I should double it because they like to like break and then.
Pretty good crushing it.
I usually do it with a hammer. But we can try the back of the knife, maybe? It's kind of dangerous. We can use your wrench. Okay, we're gonna use your wrench. Whoa. Are you making music? Do you want Oreos or no? I saw something with Oreos in it, that's why I was curious.
Sure.
Testing out the water. Oh shoot. I'm gonna layer it one more time. When you hit it with the thing with one bag, you can taste the ish. Alright, crush these now. Oh, I'm so dumb. I could have just crushed them like that, right? Don't look at me like that. I was excited for the hammering. Well, now that you made me feel stupid, why didn't you just Alright, well that's delicious. Alright. Okay. Alright, this is how the chocolate. Wow, this is the chocolate. I tested it, it looks so good. Well, it snapped, so I'm gonna say it's good. Alright, so we tested our chocolate. We have our half molds that we're gonna be using to make these bombs exist. Our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 molds, 6 thingies, and we're gonna do them. So we're gonna be using our paintbrush to make the molds, and we're gonna have to do 2 coats. So we're gonna do coat 1, and then we're gonna wait 5 minutes, put them in the fridge, and then we're gonna do coat 2. Better to use paintbrushes because it has more control. Did our first layer of chocolate. We're gonna put these in the fridge for 5 minutes, and then we'll get back to the second coat. Okay. So we have some marshmallows, and we're gonna get our peppermints out. We have pre-prepped our ingredients onto the side. We have our hot chocolate, a couple of bags. We still have some more just in case. We have some nice minty peppermints. We have some marshmallows, and we have some Oreo cookies crumbled with some sprinkled milk chocolate and vanilla frosting. We're gonna set these aside. Oh, it's looking pretty icy. We have our 2 molds looking beautiful in front of us. All right, so we're gonna grab our chocolate again, and we're gonna do our second layer. Oh, it's so much easier to put the second coat on. Put these in the fridge again, and then we're gonna temper it again. And then we can get ready to finish. We have our bombs now, and they look really delicious. You're gonna need the most concentration to take these out because, oh man, this is okay. We have our tray that we're gonna be putting the bombs on, and we're gonna be putting on some gloves so we don't melt the chocolate. I'm gonna carefully take out each of the domes from the sides. How do you take it out? Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Okay, whoa. This is how I like it. It's looking so good. Okay, we're done with 1 stack, and now to stack 2. So we just made our bomb holders. We're gonna heat up this plate for about on 30 seconds to a minute. So we're gonna heat up the plate and put these bombs on there, heat up the edges to get them a little softer so they can be able to stick. Then heat up the other side and then get those to stick. Hold it there for a couple seconds and then plate. We quickly melt the edges a little bit, right? Okay, and we're gonna put some here. We're gonna put some. Oh, actually, yeah. Okay, we put some marshmallows. We're doing the original ones first. We're gonna put some marshmallows, some hot chocolates in them. Ooh, I like a lot of marshmallows. Okay, and this will be our first bomb. Right, we'll get it to some space. Then we have to do another one. Melt the edge of that one. Okay, we got that melted and we're gonna hold these two bombs together to seal. Are they gonna seal? Are they not gonna seal? Oh, this one doesn't want to seal. The first one's always the worst one. This one's way better. Ah, turn up. Ooh, ah, hey, turn up. Ooh. Like, look at it. Spoon would be less messy. Now we're doing it a cleaner way. I was over here thinking we're in a race. Melting. Okay, oh, this one's kind of broken too. Okay, we're gonna put this on this. And we have our Oreo one. Sit on top. And we are done. Alright, we're gonna put this in the fridge. And then we're gonna take it out, decorate it, and then put it back in there. So we have some frosting that we're gonna be doing. Alright, we're gonna get some Piper bags, or piping bags. One's gonna be for the vanilla and the other one's gonna be for the chocolate. Grab it. Get it all the way to the bottom of the bag. Okay, we're gonna open our chocolate frosting. And we're gonna do about like, probably 1 spoon. Clean up a little bit. They're all like that, which is really weird. But it's okay, I think I memorized which ones are which. Hot chocolate, peppermint, Oreo. We're gonna guess. Do our peppermint like this. And we're gonna go nice and slow around. Bombs. Oh man. Okay, that was our first one. Okay, for the first ones, we're gonna add our peppermints on top. I really like peppermint. Even though it's a little struggle, we are killing the game. And our Oreo will consist of both vanilla and frosting. The size. Finished decorating. But yeah, we're going pretty basic today. Semi-basic. I want to show you my Cocoa Bombs! Are you ready? Alright, close your eyes, close your eyes. Are you ready?
Yes.
Set, open.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
That's like a whole dessert.
I know. I'm so excited. Is it actually good? Yeah.
You gonna take a picture of him?
Yes.
Put him on a little plate.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Yes. These look delicious. All right, I'm done. I'm sorry for screaming. I apologize. I'm just excited. Yes. Well, this is how they're looking. It looks so good. Wanna drink some bombs? Come and enjoy with me. Ooh, I'm scared.
You got it. Good job.
Alright, it's supposed to melt in it. Oh, okay. Oh, I hear it.
Oh, that's nice.
Ah! Isn't it beautiful?
Mm-hmm.
Isn't it beautiful? She's a beauty, isn't she? Now you have to taste it because I'm kind of scared.
Don't be scared.
It could look nice, but does it taste nice? Cheers. Okay.
I like that.
I want more.
You want more?
I want more peppermint. I love peppermint.
I see, babe.
It's good though. I thought it was gonna taste like duty. I forgot how to end a video. It's been so long. Thank you guys so much for watching this video of me making some delicious hot cocoa bombs. That is the bomb. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my socials, and I'll see you guys next time. All right, peace.